Basta Radyo, ibandera mo.
107.1 News FM Olongapo.
Welcome back, people. Basta Radyo Ibandera mo. Final stretch of this radio show now. Welcome back, welcome back. For those who just tune in, why are you late? Welcome back is what I'm trying to say. All right, and here's an invite for you guys muna. An invite muna sa mga mahilig sa broadcasting, yung mga dream nila siguro maging sportscaster, newscaster, news anchor, or simply radio DJ, radio jock. This one's for you, okay? Our friends at Artist3, that's the name of the company, or even in Facebook, if you're gonna search it, okay? Artist3, the number 3, okay? Magkasunod ha, magkasunod. Artist then 3. Art School and Academic Center Olongapo presents Broadcasting Lessons. All right, now enrolling, okay? Unlock the power of your voice. So malapit na po ta. Malapit na po itong simula, okay? If you're dreaming of becoming a TV host, radio broadcaster, news anchor, sports commentator, or content creator, kasama rin dun. Yeah. Join our broadcasting program and build the skills to shine on air, okay? You can train yourself. You'll be trained in voice projection and diction, all right? News reading and script delivery, radio and TV broadcasting techniques, okay? Public speaking and confidence building, interviewing and hosting skills, camera presence, and on-air performance. All right? So this is perfect for kids, huh? Teens and aspiring broadcasters. Kahit hindi na teens, kahit young at heart lang, pwede. Okay? Sa mga gustong sumali, gustong matuto, gustong mag-join, gustong mag-enroll, just look up the Artist3 Facebook page, ha? Ang nakalagay sa Facebook page nila is Artist3 Art School and Academic Center Olongapo. Message away, okay, for increase. Or simply, siguro you can also go there. Madali lang sila matagpuan yung office. The office is, alam nyo ba yung Alam nyo ba yung SM City Olongapo downtown? Hindi pa doon. Tawid ka, di ba? May Goldilocks? Hindi pa doon. Pasok ka dun sa pinto, sa gilid, sa side ng Goldilocks. Di ba? May paakyat pataas sa second floor. Yon. That's where the office is. Pwedeng dumiretso na para diretso enroll na if you want to. Okay? Alright? So, learn with experienced mentors in a fun, interactive, and professional environment. Limited slots lang to, ha? So you guys better hurry. So message today for schedules, rates, and enrollment details. Other details, okay? Your voice, your story, your future starts here at Artist3 Art School and Academic Center Olongapo. For inquiries, you may also call 222-3971. Okay? Alam ko medyo, syempre malayo yung nararating ng live broadcast natin. Naririnig tayo sa Zambales, Bataan, parts of it. Clark, Pampanga, Subic Bay, Freeport. If you're gonna be calling from there, you will need the access code 047, huh? 047-222-3971. Okay? Ako, I suggest you simply go there. Diretso na. Diba? Para diretso enroll na. Mas maganda kasi pag nag-i-inquire ka, harapan no? Di ba? Na ipapaliwanag sa'yo. Matatanong mo yung gusto mo itanong. And then, may ipapaliwanag sa'yo ng mas mainam. Because you guys are face-to-face. Ayan. So, you guys check it out. Artist3 Art School and Academic Center Olongapo. Alright. Now enrolling. Broadcasting lessons. Alright. Now open for enrollment. Okay? And I'm gonna be part of this. I'm very, very excited dahil I believe in Olongapo City or maybe some other neighboring areas natin, wala pang ganito no? Na yung directly ang in-offer talaga is broadcasting lessons. No? Okay? So I hope magtuloy-tuloy na. Para kasi in my 19 years in the industry, maraming may gusto. Promise. Maraming nagtatanong, sa 19 years ko, ang dami na nagtanong sa akin paano maging DJ, paano maging sportscaster, maging broadcaster, what does it take? May mga nagtatanong paano maging sanay na sanay sa mikropono, paano makapag radio programming, yan. Yung iba pa nga daw, sabi, nerve-wracking daw Sabi ko, how could it be nerve-wracking? Dahil Radio yan eh. Wala ka namang kaharap, ikaw lang eh. Di ba? Okay, so anyways, you'll know if you enroll. Okay. And right about now, Bandera Balita, ladies and gentlemen, DOST and ITDI at Barangay West Bahak-Bahak lumagda ng MOU, Memorandum of Understanding para sa Consumer Protection at Community Development. Alright? Lumagda ng isang MOU ang Department of Science and Technology, Industrial Technology Development Institute at ang Barangay West Bahak-Bahak ng Olongapo City upang higit pang palakasin ang consumer protection, tamang pagsusukat at mga programang pangkaunlaran sa komunidad. Alright? Ang kasunduan ay nilagdaan ni DOST-ITDI Director Dr. Annabel V. Briones at ni Barangay Captain Billy Joel Capistrano ng Barangay West Bahak-Bahak. Naging posible ang naturang pakikipagtulungan sa pamamagitan ng inisyatiba at pagsisikap ni Kagawad Milbert Adlawan, katuwang ang buong West Bahak-Bahak Barangay Council. Alright? Sa ilalim ng kasunduan, magsasagawa ang DOST-ITDI ng mga capacity building program sa meteorological control ng mga timbangan, mga konsultasyon at dialogo para sa mas matibay na proteksyon ng mga mamimili at pagpapatupad ng mga community-based technology innovation, environmental at sanitation programs. Matapos ang ceremonial signing, nagsagawa rin ng laboratory tour ang mga opisyal ng Barangay West Bahak-Bahak sa pangunguna ni Barangay Captain Joel Capistrano sa National Metrology Division ng DOST-ITDI upang makita ang mga pasilidad at teknolohiyang ginagamit sa metrology at calibration. Alright? Yan. So, this is very important, di ba? Minsan kasi, hindi ko naman sinasadya, no? Minsan, nagiging out of how do you put it? Parang kinakailangan ng i-calibrate eh. Parang nawawala sa tamang sukat minsan, through wear and tear din minsan, yung mga timbangan sa mga pamilihan. Well, the best example of this is yung sa bigas, no? Yung pang kilo ng bigas. Through wear and tear, minsan nawawala yan sa tamang Kaya kailangan nire-recalibrate, di ba? Tsaka inaalagahan. Kaya importante yung itong gawaing ito. Kaya salamat dito sa MOU na nilagdaan ng Barangay West Bahak-Bahak. Well, sa Barangay West Bahak-Bahak pa lang to, no? But I hope everybody would follow suit, no? This is a good thing para sa mga consumers, para sa mga mamamayan natin, no? Okay?